Good evening everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Zach from Cryptonairz. In today's video we'll be going over the Bybit World Series of Trading because guys, we have officially formed a squad to participate in this competition. We will be using our trading software and technical analysis, and we'll be live for the coming 2 weeks giving you guys instructions on how to use the bot and how to use technical analysis to be able to profit in this coming competition. There will be a lot of giveaways. All right, so this morning I've announced that if you do your KYC, if you do your first deposit, you can get up to $50 for free on a deposit of $500, right? So that's a great thing on its own. But then there will be lucky draws and daily lotteries. There will be NFTs given away to the first 1,000 participants doing KYC, and besides that there will be $8 million in prize pools potentially. Right, this is the biggest event if it comes to trading. So I think this is going to be very, very exciting. And what is even more exciting is the fact that our squad is, well, decently sized at the moment. We have 20 participants so far, and I think the biggest one has 400 participants. So not too bad if you ask me. Let's start with a little bit of TA, because in today's video, guys, we will be explaining how you can join us, how you can use the trading software. If you're a Cryptonairz member, you are most probably getting a nice discount, and whether or not you're getting this discount depends on the fact if you applied to become a beta tester on our website, right? So we've been sharing our website and asking you guys that if you are interested, please apply. Right, so the applications have finalized. We have received a lot of applications, over 40 applications, so that's amazing. And I will be showing you guys the names that have applied, and those people can receive a discount. Okay, so I'll be going into that later in this video. Let's just start off with some TA as usual. Guys, I've been very vocal, and you saw my search already. I've been very vocal about the fact that Ethereum is losing value against BTC, right? So I've been very vocal about that because it's really important to keep an eye on that when the altcoins aren't doing so well, or to see if the altcoins are going to do well or not. Right, so I've been very vocal about the fact that Ethereum was losing value against Bitcoin, and that's a bad sign for the altcoin market overall. So we weren't able to hold the 67 range, okay, so the 0.067 Bitcoin valuation, and before that all happened we had some huge divergence, bearish divergence. We came down and then weren't able to come back into the range, right? So that was a very bearish sign, and I kept you guys up to date with this. But guys, we've been bearish on the Bitcoin Ethereum since a valuation of 0.08. Okay, so that was all the way in the bull market. We were already bearish on this valuation, and now you can see the effects on that because Ethereum isn't doing so well. Right, so if we look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we can see that it's breaking some very important lows here. Okay, so for me, the support level at around $1,800 was a really important one, and we're starting to lose that one. Okay, so what will be our next big support level to look for? It's around $1,400, just below that. Right, so that will be our next level, and it's currently coming down. It doesn't look good at all. Okay, so we can have a look if there's any liquidity grab zones, but I think we're far away from any potential level. So yeah, I just expect this to come down more because we just actually broke down from a pretty significant level on ETH USD, and you guys know I don't really care about that chart that much, right? I care about this one, and I know this one has been bearish for a while. Okay, so I shared with you guys the fact that this was a wick-off distribution. Okay, so this whole pattern, I shared it very, very early on. You were able to catch all of these moves towards the downside, and we're still looking for a lot lower for the Ethereum Bitcoin valuation. Okay, so it will come in steps. It probably won't be a dump right down, but on some of the altcoins that were doing really well during the altcoins cycle, we did see that we also had this bullish idea that they wouldn't come down to the point of control, which was very far away, but we just saw them slowly grinding down all the way back down to these areas. Okay, so we're talking about like 0.04. And that's a big loss from where we were. Okay, so that means that in a couple months, Ethereum lost half of its valuation against Bitcoin, right? So there was literally no point in holding altcoins or Ethereum, especially in these last couple of months. And I've been messaging so much about that, guys, that it's not worth at BTC. Have a look. So it's not worth to hold, okay? Although BTC USD has gone back up a bit, ETH is still lagging behind. The reason for that is ETH BTC has lost loads of value. For Ethereum, the 1800 level is becoming very important, okay? We lost that one, as you guys just saw, okay? And this is a while ago, okay? This is about 2 weeks ago. And besides that, there is just very, very bearish signals from me about Bitcoin, about Ethereum Bitcoin valuation. So that's a chart that I want to tell you guys about, because I think this is macro level stuff that you really need to be aware of in order to be able to be profitable in trading in the cryptocurrency market. So another thing that I want to show you guys is the way that I will keep you guys up to date during this Bybit competition. I will have two separate strategies running. One of them I will be pretty hands off with it. The next one I will be so I'll be also scalping on it. So I'll have bots running on both of them, but on one I will also manually add and change my strategies a lot. And the way I will do this and share this with you guys is, of course, if you're in the bot group, you'll receive these strategies. You can just click on play and you'll actually trade the same way that I will do. But I will also keep sharing these charts with everyone that joins our World Series of Trading tournament. Okay, and you guys know I've been sharing these charts very early on, and all the levels always hit perfectly. There's a lot of experience that I put into these charts. Sorry for the background noise. We have the skaters. There is the skater community outside. They're gonna have some fun outside. So sorry for the background noise. We're just going to continue. So these levels are perfect, and we're going to keep sharing them, and we're going to automate them with the trading software so that you just don't have to do all that much in order to get the trades that we are getting. So which trades are we getting? Because I've been pretty hands-off with some of the strategies, but I also show you guys what you should do if you're manually trading, right? So if we look at my manual trade currently, I showed you guys that I had a short around this area. This is also where I updated you guys on Discord about, all right? This is that area exactly. So took a short, realized some nice gains, still open or still in a little bit of a position, and this is just to hedge the position that I don't want to touch. And I want to show you guys that with patience the sideways strategy will beat this market condition, right? Because we have a lot of chopping around. The only way to lose is if you get scared, if you cannot afford the drawdown. Okay, so if I have to, I will probably just deposit more onto this account if market conditions go towards circumstances that I think we might lose the 23k, 24k level, which are still important support levels for me. Then I could deposit here, and I could also take stop losses when I see where we are losing important levels. But for me, 2x, 3x cross leverage is still fine. Okay, if I go over that, I will start managing my position maybe. But for most part, I will just keep this running and wait for the price to reverse again, because price goes up and down. It's been doing that for months right now in a small range. So for me, this is not worrying at all. I have a nice position. Another thing is this bot has started longing approximately the same quantity of contracts all the way up from 30.5k I believe, and you can check the Twitch stream and see what my average entry was for this DCA or this sideways bot. Okay, so I think it's doing pretty well with an average entry at 29.5 right now. It's below the price, of course, with about 1.5%, but that's fine because we started the bot all the way up. So I think it's doing pretty nice, and I can definitely compensate with my active trading that I will do to hedge it, right? just to show you guys that that will be the ways that we trade. Okay, I'm doing this account just to show you guys that you can be patient, you can set sideways on, and the market or the bot will trade the market as a market maker, right? Or you can combine that with your own technical analysis like I'm doing here. Okay, and this will be more the way that we will trade during the Bybit competition, where we will trade our levels, right? In order to maximize our profits and minimize our drawdown, we will have to trade price levels, activate our tables based on these price levels, and take profit at the very lows and not too early, right? So yeah, we'll be going into all of that because the Bybit competition isn't starting yet. There is 2 weeks left, and in these 2 weeks, guys, we're gonna practice. We're gonna set everyone up with the bot. We're gonna get everyone familiar with the bot, and I'll be streaming every single day, at least making one instruction video on the trading bot on how I make trading strategies. And whenever I'm making trading strategies, I'll be live and talking you over that. So whenever you find time, you can just watch the past broadcasts and see how I create strategies or what instruction video is available at that point. And in the coming 2 weeks, you should be able to start your own bot, stop your own strategies, copy other people's strategies that you think are successful, and we will be sharing all of the data from everyone's best performing agents with you guys so that you can improve your own trading using data. So that will be the idea, and I'm excited that a lot of you guys have already joined. So to join, you can just go over to the World Series of Trading over at Bybit, and you want to join as a squad member. You can find us. Currently, we're not yet under API, which we should be because we're a trading bot, right? You can see that Haas Online is in the trading bot group. You guys know that I worked with them. I created something similar years ago with Haas Online. I am very confident that our software is better, faster, and yeah, I'm confident we can beat them. Dopey Cash is not a trading bot group. They probably didn't know how to read English. They're a Dutch group, so they maybe accidentally put their name under API. They have a huge group though, so definitely a competitor because the profit and the P&L will be based on the 10 best performing members. So if you have 200 and nearly 260 members, yeah, well, you just increase your chances to win. Right, so let's look for our group. It's between the English groups. So here, let's do a quick. All right, we're no longer in. There we are. So you have to look for all, and then you can see that our group has 20 members currently, which is pretty awesome. I didn't expect so many of you to sign up on day one. That's really cool. So we have 20 people who joined, so thanks for joining. Now guys, let's go into the trading bot, because I know a lot of you guys want to use it, and we will allow you guys to use it because we have, well, in a short time, we have set up a little group with some traders that are a little bit more familiar with technical analysis, and we have created some instruction videos for you to set the bot up. We are also working on an automated tool that will set the bot up on your Windows device for you automatically, but the instructions should be clear enough for you to follow up on. Okay, and we'll be around to answer your questions at the beginning. So how can you join this bot group? First of all, guys, I will show you a list of names right now, and that list of names will be receiving 50% discount if they are a super bull or bull in Cryptonairz. So if you are a member of the Cryptonairz Discord, a paying member of the Cryptonairz Discord, and you see your name in this list, and this list is taken from the people that have applied for the trading bot. Okay, so if your name is within the list, you will be receiving 50% discount on the prices that I will show you guys in a second here. All right, okay, so I'll start at the top of the list, and please put the video on pause if you need to have a look whether your name is in there or not. If you have already received a message, because some of you guys have already set the bot up, have already created their own first own strategies, and those people I have rewarded with a free license. Okay, so if you guys received a message that you've received a free license, ignore the 50%, you're good to go. If you have not, and you see your name between this list, or you know for a fact that you have applied, then you will be receiving 50% discount on the prices I will show you in a second, right? So this is the list. I will scroll down, and please pause the video if you have to. Right, so about a little bit over 40 people applied, and thanks everyone for applying. So that's the list. If you see your name, congratulations, and thanks for supporting us. Thanks for wanting to be part of our trading software. Guys, we have been putting 5 years into this trading software, if not more, and we are not done, okay? So I've been working for the last year on putting improvements on paper, okay? So basically blueprints on how to improve this, this bot. In the coming 2 weeks, guys, I will give you guys my insights into technical analysis and automated trading. You will be receiving a trading software to automate your trade. You will be receiving a group of experienced traders that will help you learn technical analysis and automated trading. You will join us in the World Series of Trading, where I will be trading live on YouTube on a private link. Okay, so it's not a public live stream, it will be a private live stream for our trading bot group, where you can see live how I'm going into trades, how I'm taking my profit, and how I'm using the bot to gain an edge over other traders. Okay, so that will be the idea. 2 weeks of 24/7 content. Okay, you will become a trader in 2 weeks. You will have your own automated software within 2 weeks, so that you from that moment onwards can build your passive income. And guys, just be aware, crypto will remain volatile. Opportunities will remain in the market. We are not losing these 2 weeks. We are going to gain the experience that you will need to be your own trader, right? There will be no one that holds your hand every second of the day. So you need to have a basic understanding of what to do. And there is nothing better than a competitive playing field, which in my opinion, if you trade without the knowledge that it's a competitive playing field, you're not a good trader, okay? Because there is someone else on the other side of the desk and on the other side of the screen, and he's trying his best. Okay, so we need to learn on how to trade, how I've been successful in trading, how I enter trades on cryptocurrencies and on leverage using the bot. All of that will be live, and I think that will be very, very valuable. Okay, so the prices are not only for the bot. You will basically get a full-on training in the coming 2 weeks to use the bot, and then we'll start the competition. We'll have a lot of fun. Also during the competition, I'll be live streaming, mostly using a private link for the community, when I'm adjusting my strategies, when I'm adding to my position, when I'm maybe taking profits. All of that will be shared with you guys. Okay, so how do you join? Well, you guys know that we have our website. So first things, you go to the website and you follow the link to Discord, right? If you guys are part of Cryptonairz and your name is on the list, or even if your name is not on the list, what you have to do is, first of all, send us a message. Okay, so you can send me a direct message, or if my direct messages aren't open, which I think they are, just shoot me a message in general chat, in Super Bull chat. I will read everything. So just make sure you send me a DM that you want to be part of this. And if your name is on the list, please let me know that your name is on the list so we can apply the 50% discount. Right? So the 50% discount is only for Cryptonairz members, and you will basically get an upgrade on your Super Bull or Bull subscription. So no need to do any other payments. You just send me a message, let me know that you want to be part of the bot group, and your Super Bull subscription will be upgraded, and you will receive the 50% discount if your name was on the list. Okay, if you're not part of the Cryptonairz Discord and you would like to partake in this competition with us and use our trading software, then what you would have to do is follow the link. Oh, and I'll have to go out of my VPS. Follow the link to our website, click on Discord, okay, and it will bring you to the following Discord channel. Let me minimize this one for a second and open this one. So it will open the Big Bang Crypto Discord and you'll be able to see these channels right here. What you want to do is, and let me open up the actual channel where this will be happening. So it's still closed. So I'm going to open that up right now. Give me a second for that and you guys can watch with me. There we go. We want to give permission for everyone to view the channel. Okay, send messages. Yes, sir. There we go. Okay, and now if we go back in as a normal user, so when you click the website link to our Discord channel, you'll come to this particular Discord and you'll see these two channels. What you want to do is you want to go into the purchase trading software. All right, there is a pinned message that explains you that the command that you have to type in is explanation mark test. Okay, so let me type it in. Explanation mark test with double S, press enter. You will receive a message. Okay, the Genesis team welcomes you to our Discord channel dedicated to leveraging community trading data. Okay, check out your DMs to see how you can buy a monthly or quarterly test license. Okay, so you'll be able to pay monthly or quarterly for this. If you go to your direct messages, you have received a direct message from Oracle. Right? If you go into this message, it will explain you what the next steps are. Okay, you can choose to pay in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and USDT. Guys, USDT, we only take Tron transactions, so TRC20. Okay, so if you want to send ERC20 tokens, please convert them to Ethereum. The USDT TRC20 is just for the people that want to avoid paying high fees. Okay, so these 4 payments methods are currently accepted. And this is, again, guys, this is not for the Cryptonairz members. They can just upgrade their Super Bowl subscription, right? So you'll have to have a active Bull or Super Bowl subscription with them to be eligible for the 50% discount and to be eligible to upgrade your license. For those that do not have that, you can basically do a crypto payment for the software. And you can pay $150 a month or $250 per 3 months, okay, so per quarter. The reason that the prices are relatively high, and these are the prices that we've always used for the trading software, so I don't think it's too much, because in a day you can make $50 easy with trading. So at the beginning it's more expensive. The reason for us to do this is that we will need a little bit more time to get you guys started, right? Basically any issues that you will have, it will take a lot of time from us. So we'll have to at some point get something in return for that. And guys, just assuring you guys, everything that we get from this will be used to improve our software. Okay, there is no reason for us to get this money. I don't have any employees that I have to pay for this. It's just the fact that I want to spend more on the software, and time, everyone's time should be valued. And I think you guys are getting a great deal. You'll get a technical analysis, you'll get the trading software to automate all your trading. And then there is the following. If you guys stay with us for 3 months, so if you take a quarterly license, and if you're a Cryptonairz applicant, you get 50% discount on the quarterly. So you basically pay $125 for the first 3 months. Okay, after 3 months, you get a 50% discount on both of the packages. All right, so then monthly it will be $100 a month, or $200 for 3 months, so quarterly. Right? And after half a year, if you're with us for half a year, you get another $50 discount on both the licenses. Okay, so then your license is $50 a month, whether you're doing quarterly or monthly. Okay, so after half a year, you're just paying a flat fee of $50 a month. After a full year, guys, you can pay $25 a month, because at that point, you're just using our software and you're giving us back trading data. Okay, and because you have some experience, you can help us onboard new users and thereby giving them your strategies, your data, and I think this is the beauty of the system that we've come up with. The people that are dedicated, that actually take the effort to become a good trader using the automated software, using our technical analysis strategies, they actually get rewarded for staying with us. And at some point, well, what is $25 if you've seen me make a lot more than that with a $500 account in days, right? So guys, I think it's a great deal. Let me know if you have questions. I would love to see everyone join, because the bigger our group, the better our chances. Like I said, guys, I'm very confident actually, because I see the competitors. There is some with huge groups, but numbers mean nothing if we have a strategy and if we are well, basically trading 24/7, right? So I still haven't seen any software that does our high frequency trading style of market execution. So I think we're onto something. This is going to be our event. I think something in me tells me this is going to be a lot of fun, and people are going to recognize the efforts that we've been putting into the software. You guys know that there is some guys that have been using the software for a while, but there's also a lot of new users. I'll make sure that the coming 2 weeks is packed with information, with instruction videos and content, so that you all go into this competition confidently, knowing that we will do fine. My goal is that every single one of us ends up with a profit. Okay, I don't care about becoming the first. There might be some degens that take that first place. That's totally fine. I want us to be that one group that ends up all profitable and all approximately at the same profit rates. Right, so that's going to be a lot of fun, guys. This is all very new. Trading competitions are very new. Trading software is very new. High frequency trading for retail traders, I don't think it's available even. So yeah, I would love to have you guys in. I'm super stoked. I'm going to start streaming right after this video, and yeah, let's just get things rolling, guys. This period, I will use it to analyze all of the inefficiencies and things that I can improve in our software, and I can promise you guys a new software is in the making. We have a partner for this, which will be announced, but also this period will be very critical. Guys, you'll get a lot more perks for being part of our community. So just stay with us. Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's trade together in the World Series of Trading. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.